Good morning, dear students. In the last class we are discussed about the chemical change, some examples. There is a apple acquires a brown color due to the chemical change, and when food gets spoiled it produces a foul smell, that is also chemical change. And brinjal potato, when we are cutting to the brinjal and potato it will be change their color. So this is also example for chemical change. Did you observe in your home when your mom cutting to the brinjal, that brinjal color will be changed, so due to the chemical change. Already we have discussed about the heat, light or any other radiation may be given off a observed in the chemical change. Sound may be produced and smell may be produced. A color change may takes place. A gas may be formed. These are the examples for chemical change. Now today I am going to discuss about the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. So did you observe in your home some iron articles in outside? If you kept the iron articles in outside, it will be rust. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Okay, rusting of iron. Now let us get back to rusting. Already we are discussed before topic about the rusting. This is one change that affects iron articles and slowly destroys them. Since iron is used in making bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies and many other articles. Once you have to observe the what is the uses of iron. Iron we can use the so many things. Iron is we are using in the so many things. For suppose making of bridges. Once you have to observe, latest they are making the bridges with iron only. Ships also make the by the iron only. And cars, once you observe the cars, truck bodies and many other articles are the monetary loss due to rusting is hers. So rusting is change that affects iron articles and slowly destroys them. Okay, so by the with iron we can use iron in making of bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies and many other articles. The monetary loss due to rusting is hers. The process of rusting can be represented by equation. How can we represent? Iron plus oxygen plus water gives rise to rust. Not only iron will be rust. Iron is reacted with oxygen. Oxygen means from the air and water, moisture to form rust. Okay, rusting of iron. Now rusting is one change. Rusting is one change that affects iron articles, and slowly destroys them. And slowly destroys them. Since iron is used in making bridges, since iron is used in making bridges, ships, cars and truck bodies truck bodies and many other articles. And many other articles. The monetary loss due to rusting is hers. The monetary loss due to rusting is hers. Rusting is his. Okay, rusting is a change that affects iron articles and slowly destroys them. So if any iron articles will be rust, means what will happen, that rust will be destroys that iron articles. Since iron is used in making bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies and many other articles, the monetary loss due to rusting is hers. The process of rusting can be represented by the following equation. So in the rusting, what will happen, first iron articles, iron is reacted with oxygen. First I am writing the word equation. Word equation means just names only I am writing. Normal equation means iron means Fe, oxygen means O2. With formulas we can write, means that is this is a word equation, that is a skeletal equation. Okay, iron plus oxygen, this oxygen from the air plus water gives rise to rust. Okay, this iron is reacted with oxygen from the air and water, it forms the rust. Okay, iron formula Fe plus oxygen formula O2 plus water formula H2O gives rise to rust. What is the rust? Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is a rust. So Fe2O3 is a rust. This is the equation. For rusting, once you have to observe, for rusting, the presence of both, what we required for rusting here, oxygen and water, both oxygen and water or water vapor. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and water or water vapor is essential. Okay, this is about the rusting.